In this video, I'm going to show you how to download an IC Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do after you create your account, you'll have the access to your dashboard over here, and then you want to go to the Downloads tab here on the left. And you'll be able to see all the different downloads you can do. So you can download their MT5 so you can connect it to your account. I have a separate tutorial on this as well. So if you want to know how to do it, make sure you go watch that. You can basically go ahead and connect to TradingView. You can download the CTrader desktop version, and I have a tutorial on this as well. Then the MetaTrader, you can download their MetaTrader trader as well. And of course, you can watch the tutorial on this on my channel as well. And that's pretty much all the downloads you can do. Okay, so those are the three platforms, the MT5, MT4, and CTrader. You can go ahead and basically download them to your computer, and from there watch any of my tutorials where I basically show you how to connect your account to any of these platforms. Now, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.